Welcome to Chikki Kids Land.
This is my house drawing.
Hello kids, today I draw a cute house. Yay! First draw a roof and then draw the wall. This is the four side of wall. The bird is flying, yay! And then I draw a window. And now I draw the door. This is the door of the house. Okay friends, I have done my drawing. Okay, so let's start coloring. Friends, I am doing rainbow colors in roof. First, I take the orange color. And then I take the pink color. This is the pink color. And then I take the red color. Which color do you like the most? After red, I take the yellow color. And then take the green color. This looks so cute. And then this is a purple color. Do you like the purple color? Okay, in the last I take the dark purple color. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Yeah. And then I'm doing sky blue color in the wall, and bird is flying too. Do you like the house rain? If you want to draw with me, then take a page and draw on it. You can learn easily how to draw a house. Wow! Woohoo! Yeah! Okay friends, I have done my drawing and then I take the brown color for the door. Okay friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Please do subscribe my channel and like my videos. And in the last, I take the yellow color. Yay! Bye! Bye! Ta-ta!